In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and create discount codes in Shopify, a beginner tutorial worth every 5 minutes of your time. As we dive in, you'll see that setting up discount codes may sound a little technical, but Shopify makes it super accessible even for beginners. We'll ease ourselves through the process, step by step, ensuring you're comfortably equipped to set those enticing discounts for your store. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin page. Once you're on the home page of your store's admin panel, what you'll want to do is locate and click on the Discounts section. This option should be visible in your side menu. It's usually marked with a little tag icon. Think of this part as your central hub for managing all things discount related. After you're inside the discount section, look for the Add Discount button, which you'll typically find at the top of the page. Clicking it brings you to where the magic begins, where you can concoct your own unique discount code. Now, Shopify gives you quite a few options here. Feel free to explore these options, but let's keep things simple with a free shipping discount to attract more customers. Once you've selected free shipping, the next crucial part is to generate a random discount code. Shopify offers a tool that does this for you, which saves time and ensures your code is unique. Just click on the Generate Random Code button, and voila! You have a new discount code ready to roll. You'll notice you have the choice of applying this discount to either all countries or restrict it to select countries. This feature is particularly handy if your business is based in one place but ships globally. Let's explore further. You can set no minimum requirements, or if you prefer, set conditions like a minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items. This not only helps manage your discounts more strategically, but also encourages more purchases. Next, decide who gets to enjoy these discounts. You have a range of choices, from all customers to specific customer segments, or even targeted individual customers. Being able to choose specific parameters adds a layer of personalization to your marketing strategy. Now, since the discount could be applied to both products or orders, be clear about what suits your business goals and opt for product discounts or order discounts accordingly. Also, pay attention to the active dates. Just specify when the discount should start and whether it needs an end date to enhance urgency or exclusivity. Once everything is in place, don't forget the final crucial step. Click Save Discount. This will store all your settings and makes the discount live or ready for when you want it to be available. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have successfully created and set up a discount code on Shopify. Experiment with different options to see what resonates best with your customers, and keep an eye on your metrics to gauge the success of your discounts. Thank you for following along, and happy selling.